distinguished delegates, if you are raising your placard, please raise it high.
Lagos State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education, in collaboration with the United Nations Information Center, organized the 2024 Lagos Secondary Schools Model United Nations Assembly for students with the theme Artificial Intelligence, an Emerging Driver of Sustainable Development Goals.
As we gather here today for the 2024 Lagos State Secondary Schools Model United Nations Conference, we embark on a journey of exploration, collaboration, and innovation. The United Nations plays a vital role in promoting peace, justice, and sustainable development worldwide. And their collaboration with local stakeholders is essential in empowering youth leaders and fostering global citizenship.
Each edition of Lassmun has raised hundreds of future diplomats, confident of debating global issues and situating the same in the context of their assigned countries. This year, the delegates will be speaking on the theme Artificial Intelligence, an Emerging Driver of Sustainable Development Goals. AI can enhance interventions across various sectors by predicting weather events, improving agricultural output, and responding to health crises.
AI involves learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language composition. Strong AI would be capable of understanding, reasoning, and learning and applying knowledge to solve complex problems in a manner similar to human cognition.
The Commissioner, Mr. Jamiu Ali Balogun, said the Assembly was a learning platform to expand the frontiers of education and designed to empower students in the state with an opportunity to engage in governance.
A training ground to groom, to train, to nurture our children. This is part of the way for us to understand many basic things about environment, about government and governance, how it works in relations to every sector of the economy.
Student representatives who participated at the assembly expressed their views while discussing the theme of the event.
I welcome you all to the 5th edition of Lagos Secondary Schools Model United Nations, Lassmun. We gather today at a critical moment in human history as we confront the challenges of the 21st century and strive to create a better future for all. Amidst these efforts, a revolutionary force has emerged: artificial intelligence. We all are without doubt that the intervention of artificial intelligence in the Sustainable Development Goals has led to many innovation and development in several countries.
As we stand at the cusp of a new era defined by rapid technological advancement, it is imperative that we harness the potential of AI to advance our collective pursuit of a more sustainable and equitable world. Artificial intelligence, characterized by its ability to mimic cognitive functions typically associated with human intelligence, has the power to revolutionize the way we approach development challenges, from enhancing healthcare delivery and improving education outcomes to promoting environmental sustainability and advancing economic prosperity.
Despite being a developing nation, Azerbaijan faces various challenges including poverty, disparities in education, healthcare access, gender inequality, and environmental degradation. AI technologies offers a personal avenue to address these challenges by enhancing efficiency, productivity, and innovation across critical sectors such as healthcare, agriculture, education, and urban development. Artificial intelligence has played a significant role in Antigua and Barbuda by providing innovative solutions to complex agricultural challenges. The government of Antigua and Barbuda has invested over 4,000 East Caribbean dollars in artificial intelligence in the area of agriculture, which has assisted in increasing food production through optimized agricultural practice.
In the realm of education,
Artificial intelligence has been instrumental in manicuring teaching methods, virtual tutors, and intelligent learning systems. The Federative Republic of Brazil urges the cooperation of the United Nations to help in implementing artificial intelligence in the agricultural and health sector to foster economic growth and sustainable development.
They came up with so many societal challenges that are well overwhelming, that they can see from their own perspective and then be able to provide solutions to. It is about more or less nurturing them and preparing them for the future challenges and then towards their career paths, so that there will be also those that we pioneer in resolving so many societal challenges we have in the future.
This is a unique program organized by all the 6 districts for our students. To do what? To showcase to the world that our students in public schools can stand very pursue any student in the whole world. And I give yield to all our stakeholders in education.
If our children, particularly of Lagos State public schools, could come out and model the way it is done at the General Assembly, aside that the in-depth knowledge gained from their learning about artificial intelligence and the way it could be used to drive the sustainable development goals is also something of pride to me.
We get the chance to express our ideas, our thoughts, our perspective of what is happening in our world. It gives us that confidence, it gives us that assurance that wherever we go, not only now but in the future, because this is evidently building us for the future. Wherever we go in the future, we will be able to address people.
The Lagos State Secondary Schools Model United Nations Assembly is a student-led, student-centric and student-focused global initiative.